Hello friends and welcome back to Relax Your Dog. Today we are going to see the Weimaraner and its fact. Initially bred as a gun dog to handle big game like deer and bear, the Weimaraner or Silver Ghost was an extremely sought after dog breed in their native Germany. Today, these graceful but demanding dogs can still be instituted out on the hunting grounds. However, they can also make fine family friends if they get enough exercise. Although they are purebred dogs, you may find Weimaraner in shelters or in the care of rescue groups. It's hard to miss a Weimaraner thanks to their uncommon grey coats and fascinating grey blue or amber eyes. Learn more about this honorable breed and its German origin. So let's dive in and see the 11 noble facts about Weimaraner. So the first fact is, this breed were recognized in Germany. A fairly new breed, the Weimaraner first came about in the Germany in the 19th century. Nobles were struggling to breed the perfect hunting dog with qualities like tracking ability, speed, and endurance. The signature silver coat was likely established by accident. Initially called Weimar Pointers, the dogs get their name from the Weimar Republic. The noble of the Weimar court would keep the dog as maids and bring them on hunting expeditions. The second fact is, the German nobles were severely protective of the breed. In order to keep the bloodlines pure, the nobles of the Weimar court were very careful in selecting who could have access to the puppies. The Weimaraner Club formed in 1897 to help protect the breed's integrity. Only members of the club could purchase a puppy, but it was difficult to gain access to the exclusive organization. The club did not promote itself or the breed, taking great pains to stay under the radar, sort of like the Fight Club of dog breeding. Only 1500 dogs were allowed to be registered at a time. Creating a club in the US proved to be difficult due to the German fanciers' protectiveness. It was not until Rhode Island born Howard Knight discovered the breed in the 20s that the dog showed any promise of ever making it to the States. Knight had heard of the breed through a friend named Fritz Grossman. He brought two dogs home, but the female proved sterile, making breeding impossible. Knight still kept and trained the dog as a sign of goodwill, and in 1929 he became the first American member of the Weimaraner Club of Germany. Four more dogs were sent to Knight in 1938 and the breed was recognized by the American Kennel Club in 1942. So the third fact is, these are smart breed. Weimaraner are so clever that they are occasionally referred to as the dog with the human brain. Of all the breeds, they are 21st smartest in the dog world. While being smart can make teaching easier, it's vital to channel that intelligence accurately at a young age. Left unchecked, a whim can use its brain to outsmart its owner. Unblocking fences, stealing treats, and escaping crates are just some of the trouble a mischievous whim can get into. The fourth fact is, these breeds are transformed with age. As puppies, whims have light blue eyes, but they don't stay that way for long. As they grow up, the dog's eye turn any amber or a grey-blue color. The fifth fact is, at times these breeds have long hair. We frequently see the short-haired variety of the breed, but there are some fancier who still breed whims with longer fur. Usually, the shaggier variation was used to hunt waterfowl. The longer coat would protect them from the cold war. Long-haired whims are not accepted by the AKC and the gene is recessive, so they are very uncommon. In spite of this, there are still some long-haired fans out there keeping the trait alive. The sixth fact is, whims have a strong sense of smell. These dogs are close relative to the bloodhound as well as the English pointer, the German short-haired pointer, the blue Great Dane, and others. so it makes sense that they would have powerful noises. Their sense of smell came in handy when they worked as hunting dogs, tracking large game like boar, wild cat, bear, and deer. As hunting changed in Germany, the dogs were eventually used as birds' dogs. Today, Wim rule tracking contest. Owners joke that it's almost cheating because they are so good at it. The seventh fact is this breed played a part during the Cold War. Weimaraner are great trackers and have been used in missing persons cases and other search and rescue missions. Their status as kill pointers possibly led to one of them being chosen to help find missile parts during the Cold War. A Weimaraner named Dingo, along with a German short-haired named Count, helped sniff out small bits of missile after launches so scientists could recover and study them. The parts were coated in sequelae, a shark liver oil, which helped the dogs locate them in the desert sand. In the summer, the dogs wore special terry cloth jackets with pockets that held ice cubes to keep them cool while they were walking. The eighth fact is certain individuals call them the grey ghost. When a whim is out on a dreary day, they incline to get lost in the fog. Owner says that their dogs sometimes completely vanish into the landscape when they walk too far away. The ninth fact is the breed requirement is to run. These are great energy dogs, so don't expect them to lounge on the couch with you. We want a lot of exercise and space to move around. These dogs require more activities than almost any other breed. That means daily and rigorous exercise is required or your dog will get antsy and bored. Fat swimming and other intensive activity should do the trick. The 10th fact is these puppies have stripes. Oddly, when Weimaraner are first born, they have dark grey tiger stripes. These dogs stick around for long. After just a few days, they disappear completely. The 11th fact is Weimaraners breed make great subjects. Various Americans were first presented to Wim. Throughout the work of photography, Williams Wegman, the artist, would capture his dog Man Ray first and then Fay Ray, Chip, and other in poses emulating classic art, pop culture, and other amusing situations. On top of photography, he also made amusing videos, like trying to teach Man Ray to spell. Man Ray was such a good model that the village boys named the dog Man of the Year in 1982. The charming and witty video found their way onto all sorts of television shows, from Saturday Night Live to Sesame Street. So that's it. I hope you have enjoyed the video of the Weimaraner and its fact. If you like it, then comment and subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss much more videos of Relax Your Dog and more.